All right. Casey at the Bat. You are reading or listening to an excerpt from this poem. That means a part of a pretty famous poem called Casey at the Bat. And then you are going to write down how this poem connects to the text from the last lesson, Sparring Partners. And try and think about more than just it's about sports. Okay, I think we can get a little deeper into how the characters connect, or what do you see that is similar besides maybe the obvious. If you want to read it, you can click here. That will just open a PDF of it to read. If you want to listen to it, if you click the second link, then make sure, like I said in the directions, you will need to click on poem number 2. Oh, lovely. You don't want to load right now, computer. Let me try that one more time, see if it works. Well, in any case, it should be fairly obvious that you're clicking on poem 2, because if you start to hear the girl's garden, you know you're on the wrong poem. It's about a baseball player named Casey. And my computer doesn't want to load it right now. So, anyway, read or listen to the poem. Then you'll again talk about how it's connected to the text from the previous lesson. Good luck!